Hi gardening friends, it's that time of year again when we start to think about what we want to grow in our garden. I am in zone 8B. March is the perfect time, whether you're starting seeds indoors or outdoors. Our indoor seeds are going to give us a head start on our summer crops, and our outdoor seeds, I'm going to go through all of those that you can direct sow right now in March in zone 8B. And I pre-sprouted my peas. This is the golden peas. I pre-soaked them. Seeds that are not pre-soaked, when the seeds that are not pre-soaked, this is how they originally looked. By them being pre-soaked, I'm getting a jump start on my germination. And with pre-sprouted peas, this root side right here, you want this to go down in the ground. You're going to put those facing down. Next up, we have spinach. These can be direct sowed several weeks before your last frost date. Spinach is great in March. It loves the cool weather. This is a new variety that I'm trying this year. It's called strawberry spinach. Unlike the Bloomingdale spinach, these seeds are very tiny. So I'm just sprinkling a light dusting of compost on top of them. Then you're going to press them down, lightly pat the soil down and wet. Lettuce grows perfect in March. It thrives in cooler weather. By the time the days start to warm up, you'll have beautiful tender leaves ready for your plate. Kale is not also a good option to grow in March. It loves cool weathers as well. You can add them to your salads, smoothies, or sauteed. Next up, we have radish. They are fast growing, perfect for filling in gaps in your garden. You'll have them ready in 30 days. They're great for both salads and snacks. Direct sow your seeds ½ inch deep. They will germinate within 4 to 6 weeks. Carrots are a little bit slower to mature, but they're totally worth the wait. Make sure the soil is soft and free of stones. Carrots need a lot of room to grow straight and long. I recommend seeds planting ¼ inch deep, spacing them out, but you can also thin them out. If you have not seen my video of how I'm doubling my carrot harvest and the way I thin them out, I will link it at the end of this video. Also, with your carrots, you need to place something to cover them to keep that soil moist at all times until they germinate. Cilantro loves the cooler months. In zone 8E, March is an ideal time to start planting. Choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. Simply sprinkle the seeds, cover lightly, and keep the soil moist. In a few weeks, you'll have fresh cilantro to add to your dishes. Now, I know some people do not like cilantro. When I first taste cilantro, it tastes soapy to me. It is an acquired taste. Over the years, I've come to love it. I am planting the slow boat cilantro and dwarf lemon cilantro. So these are some of the plants that you can start indoors, March in zone 8A. This is a row of sunflower that have dwarf sunflowers here as well. These are some dwarf sunflowers, regular sunflowers. I have Cosmo, Borage, Calendula. Calendula can be direct sowed outside right now in zone 8A in March. Amaranth, nasturtiums. I have marigolds. This is supposed to be a whole tray of marigolds. So this is a good time for you to see exactly what did not come up, and you can reseed. I need to reseed marigolds and nasturtiums. I only have 2. This section right here is my indeterminate tomatoes. See, I don't have that much because indeterminate tomatoes will continue to produce throughout the whole season. So I really don't need that much. Now these are my basil. I have lettuce leaf, Thai basil, lime basil, sweet basil, dark opal basil, and
This is my ground cherry. Finally, I have ground cherry coming up. If you've been here, you know my struggle with ground cherries. And another tray I started with peat pellets. This tray was started on February 10th. I'm sorry, February 10th. This is purple top turnips right here. I have red ace beets here. They started to germinate. This was started, I didn't put a date on it. Oh, March 3rd. These were started on March 3rd. And I have some more Bloomingdale spinach, which can be direct sown outside. In this tray, I have my Long Island Brussels sprout, has not sprouted up yet. Some more lettuce. Some more lettuce over here. I have my bok choy or pak choy, whatever you want to call it. I call it bok choy. Some Chinese cabbage. And I have white kohlrabi here and purple kohlrabi here. And all I do with these peat pellets, I've shown you guys, I think it was my first or second video, I've shown you how to use these peat pellets. But once I have them hydrated, every day I come and I just spritz the top with water because they do dry out quickly. So you just spritz the top. This tray is my determinant tomatoes that need to be up potted. I seeded a lot of them because we have a yard sale, and my plan is to try to sell some of these starts at the yard sale. These are my sweet peppers that need to be up potted. Start your peppers now. Peppers can take a long time to germinate, and these did take a long time to germinate. So start your peppers now to get a jump on your summer crops. This is my sweet potato. I started on February 10th. You can start your sweet potatoes in water. You can place it in water. I start mine in soil. I've tried both ways with the water and the soil works a lot faster for me. Also, start your ginger. I have a video. I'm going to link all those videos showing you how to start your ginger, how to start your turmeric. This year, I'm not growing any turmeric except the one that we're going to see if the one that I replanted outside, the roots that are replanted outside from my 2024 harvest comes back up. But these are the gingers that are coming up right now. That's in this soil and it's on.
Hi guys, I'm editing the video and I forgot to close the video out. So I'm just giving you a look of things that are growing in the garden right now. And I just want to say, whether you're direct sowing hardy crops or starting flowers indoor to add color to your garden, March is a fantastic month to begin your spring garden. By the time summer rolls around, you'll have an abundance of food to preserve for the months ahead. Remember to keep your garden watered, especially during the germination period. Thank you so much for joining me today on A Beautiful Jungle. I hope you're inspired to start planting, whether you're growing food or flowers. Remember, nature is always ready to surprise us with its beauty. I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.